Hi Louis, sorry this is late again, mate. I know I said I'd get this done on Saturday after I saw you in the gym, and the weekend just went a bit mad, mate. In the end, I was busy pretty much all weekend. I've literally just got home, but we pretty much covered a lot anyway when I saw you in the gym on Saturday, mate. So this should only be a short one anyway. If it's fine, obviously after I saw you on Saturday in the gym, I didn't train Sunday or today. I was hoping to get in there today, but obviously it's bank holiday and I'd forgotten, so I realised they weren't open until 10. They were only open until 8. Um, but it's all good. I'll crack on again as of tomorrow. So I'll still be basically my spreadsheet will just be exactly the same as last week. So I'll be by the time um, yeah, I'll be sort of halfway through again, halfway through like the training block by the time we get to the end of the week. So it's pretty much the same. I've just obviously fallen behind by a day or two, so it's just um, it's just sort of like running a day or two behind, but I'm sure that's no real issue. So yeah, not really loads to discuss, mate. Again, everything went up really well through the week. Weight's still going up slowly. It's getting slower, but we've covered all of this, so we don't really need to go over too much more. I don't think. Um, I went and bought some more batteries for my scales, and they still don't work. So they've definitely had it. So I will get some more. I might even try and have a look online tonight if I get time. Uh, so yeah, so I can start weighing myself again because I haven't weighed myself for probably about a week or 10 days now. So it'd be quite interesting to see if weight has gone up by like a reasonable amount or anything. But I'll get back to you as soon as I sort some scales, mate. I'll update everything. I did update some new photos. Again, I didn't have too much time this weekend really, so I had to do it quickly yesterday before I had to go out. And I was out all day yesterday. I didn't get home till about 1 in the morning, so it was a bit mad. I did have a couple of beers last night, but literally only a few. It wasn't a mad night. So um, yeah. Other than that, the only thing I was going to say is since so Saturday, even in the gym Saturday, I was struggling. I felt a bit lethargic and a bit low on energy. And then since then, so all day yesterday and pretty much most of today, I just feel like I've gone off my food a little bit. Um, it's fine. And I'm hoping everything will just go back to normal as of tomorrow. I've been to like a couple of family do's and stuff this weekend, so been to two family barbecues and a wedding. So food was always going to be a slight issue. I don't know if that's what it's down to really, just because it's a bit of a change from what I'm used to. But yeah, just feel like I've gone off my food a little bit, which is quite odd for me. I've not had that all year since we've been bulking. So, but like I say, hopefully everything will just go back to normal tomorrow. I'm sure it will do. Um, but yeah, even Saturday, I did struggle to get the food in Saturday. But I still did. So everything's been updated. I will go back on the spreadsheet and just update the last couple of things tonight. I didn't obviously track calories too much over the weekend either, but it's only been yesterday and today. So, but I'll update a couple other bits and pieces on it that need updating. And then that'll be all good. So yeah, other than that, mate, I don't really think there's a lot else for us to go through. It's quite handy because I see you in the gym, so we can hopefully it makes this check-in a bit easier for you. Um, but yeah, I mean, have a look at the pictures, see if there's anything else you want to add or anything, mate. But if not, no doubt I will see you around the gym during the week. And let us know. Yeah, that's the only other thing. I know volume is starting to increase again, so I'll be sure to keep a look on the sheets and not just use my notepad and write down the previous week. I'll be sure to keep an eye on the time on the spreadsheet so that I'll make sure I don't miss any reps or any sets or anything. So that's fine. And then obviously, as we discussed briefly on Saturday, as we're getting towards the end of the training block, I'll just take your advice on whether we still need to keep ramping up volume or if we're edging towards a deload, if things are starting to slow down. I'll let you know how I feel as we go through it. With regards to pushing up volume, I was trying to have a quick think earlier today about what there is that I could maybe push volume up on, um, but I'm not really sure, to be honest. I mean, I've always felt like my triceps can do more, but then they've always been probably the most developed part of my physique. So maybe that's just that. They certainly don't need any work from my point of view, but that's always something that I feel like I could just train and train and train. Um, Legs, I don't think I can handle any more volume. Leg days fuck me up. And it does take me a while to recover from leg days. So between legs one and legs two, every now and then I find myself even now taking an extra day, just because I feel if I was to train as I normally would, doing the two leg days so close together, I think the volume then would go down quite rapidly, just because I don't think I'd be fully recovered. So I think legs are fine as they are, and everything at back, I think volume's quite good on. I'm not sure I could hack too much more on back. My back after the last couple of pull sessions has been really sore, like it ached quite bad, which is fine. I'm cool with that, so I don't know if volume needs to go up on that. Um, I probably should have thought about this a bit more before I started this video, shouldn't I? I will think about it, mate, and if I think of anything else that can go up, I will let you know, because obviously I've still got to finish this week's training, so I can let you know in the next couple of days, and then if we need to adjust anything, we can do. So I think that's about it, mate. Hopefully it's been a nice, quick, easy one for you, and hopefully I can remember how I uploaded this last time and get it done again. I'll WhatsApp you when this is all done, mate, and I will see you in a week. Cheers, Louis.